Howdy hoo, all my stock market gamblers. Welcome today. I'm Tall Mike. It's January 15th, Friday, last trading day of the week, and the markets are closed on Monday. Little 3-day weekend for you all. Well, what do we got going on today? We got the Dow. The Dow is under a little bit of pressure, down a couple hundred points. NASDAQ down 100. This is the pullback I'm expecting. I wanted to pull back a little bit more. Will it? We'll see. We'll see. Yesterday we had the new jobless claims. New jobless claims for the week. 965,000. Almost a million. That's just for 1 week. And we've been doing this since, back in March? Every week, 1 million jobs gone. Pretty soon it's going to be easier just to report the number of people that still have a job. Anyways, hopefully you still have a job. Now, what we got going on is Biden. Biden's announced his $1.9 trillion stimulus package. Now, he's just getting started with this, but that's almost $2 trillion. Now, this is just the start. Pretty soon he's going to do $2 trillion every month, and then he's going to do $2 trillion every week. Now, what's going to happen? We're going to melt up. We're going to melt up just like Venezuela. Venezuela's melting up, but you would not want to live in Venezuela right now. No, this is not good. This is not good. This is actually bad. What else do we got going? We got margin debt. It hit a new record for margin debt. This is people borrowing money so they can invest in the stock market. $722 billion last month. This is a record. It's never been that high. Be very cautious here. I think we're going to get a little bit of pullback. What I want to talk today about is silver and gold, and in particular, the miners. The miners, they're on sale. Let's take a look at what we got here. Look at this chart of gold. All right, so here we got gold. Since August, we've been kind of trending down, but you know what's been trending up? The 200-day moving average, moving on up. We're sitting right on that 200-day moving average. I think we're going higher from here. I think the same chart, let me show you a chart of silver. That's a chart of gold sitting right at the 200-day, ready to bounce off of it higher. This is my opinion, only my opinion. Okay, so we got the silver chart here. Chart of the SLV. Once again, silver has been coming down, but it's been doing a little better than gold recently. We had a nice spike in the SLV from 21 to 25. But what happened? JP Morgan came in and they slammed silver this one day. Went from 25 down to 22 in one day. What happened? Well, they dumped all the paper silver. SLV is not real silver. No. It is paper silver. It is a derivative of silver. But here's the funny thing. JP Morgan manipulates the SLV by dumping this paper silver, right? So they crush the price lower. Now it's the tail wagging the dog. What comes with physical silver? It comes down also. I'm a stacker of physical silver. I love to stack. I rush down to my coin dealer. Anyways, you know what? He was completely out of physical silver, out of physical gold also. What does this mean? It means no one's willing to sell them the physical silver and gold at the price that the paper says it should be trading at, because it should not be trading down here. Now it's sitting right on the 50-day moving average. What do I think is going to happen? My opinion, I think it's going to bounce higher. I think it's a great time to get into gold, a great time to get into silver. I recommend the physical if you can find it. It's hard to find. Nobody wants to sell it, but you can always buy the SLV and the GLD. I think they're good buys right here. I think they're going to bounce. Let's take a look at the miners. These are the junior miners, the GDXJ. I love the junior miners. Now, when they slam they slammed the paper silver. They slammed the SLV. JP Morgan came in and slammed it. They slammed the paper gold, the GLD. They slammed it. They crushed it. They put more paper silver on the market than physical silver's mined in 1 year. They dumped more paper silver than is mined in physical silver in 1 year. And what did it do to the miners? Well, it crushed them. You'll notice now back here in August, we were at a high and we're trending down, trending down, trending down. But once again, what is trending up? The 200-day moving average. Now we touched it back here in, late November. We touched the 200-day. What we do? We bounced right off, went from 48 to 58. Boom. Just like that. I'm a trader. I jump in and out. Now, I hold the physical silver and physical gold. Those I stack. Those I don't trade. Those I just keep adding to them, adding to them. But the miners, you can make money jumping in and jumping out. We're sitting right on the 200-day again at 50. I say, boom, this is going to be at 60 within a couple of months. My opinion only. You do what you think. I'm a buyer here. I'm in the GDXJ. I have call options. I'm playing call options out till March. I think March is going to be up at 60. We'll see. We're January, February, March, couple months. I think we'll be at 60. If maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Hit that subscribe button and we'll talk about it some more. We'll find out if I'm wrong. Now I want to give you a couple of miners that I like. A couple of miners. Okay, these are ones I jump in and out of. I trade them. Now, Mag Silver. Mag Silver was down here at 14, jumped up to 23. 14 to 23. How quick did it do that move? It did it in about a month. Took about a month from 14 to 23. Now I'm waiting. It's at 1893. If it gets down here at this 50-day or the 50-day gets up here, that's where I'm buying. Okay, so the 50-day sitting at 18. It's at 1893. Probably a good buy. I could see it. I'd like to get it another 50 cents cheaper. I'm a little greedy. I am. There's nothing wrong with buying it right here because I do think we're going higher. Mag Silver. I like it here. I like it a lot. Okay, here's another one I like. Pan American Silver. PAAS. Pan American Silver. This was, every time it gets down here to this 200-day, I was sitting down here right about 28, shot up to 38. $10 just like that. Now $10 doesn't sound like much, but that's like a 33% move. You know what 33% move does to the option? Makes it move about 100 to 200% depending on which options you're playing. I'm playing some call options on this. All right, it's sitting right at the 200-day. Now it came crashing down from 38, came all the way down here. We're sitting at $30 right on the 200-day. But look at the 200-day. It's moving higher. It's going higher. I like it here. This is Pan American Silver, PAAS, Pan American Silver. It's going to bounce off this 200-day. Once again, just my opinion. I'm a stock market gambler. If you want to know how to read charts, if you want to know how to find some great opportunities in the market, just go to, stockmarketgambler.com. I'll give you my secrets for free. Just put your name and email in there and I'll send them to you. Send them right to your email. My secrets, but my secrets say that this is going to bounce. It's going to bounce higher. We're at 30. Check back with me and I think we'll be at 40 soon, probably within a month or two. Anyways, I like Pan American Silver. That's all I got today. Just I want to tell you that the miners are on sale. Now everybody else, they're buying that Bitcoin stuff. They're in that stock market heavy. I'm in the miners. The miners, I like the miners. Maybe I'm just a crazy guy. I don't know. I like the miners. I think they're the play here. I think you should get them. At least get some of them. You don't have to go all in, but stick a toe in. See if the water's warm. I think we're going to be okay. I think it's going to bounce higher. Anyways, have a great weekend, 3-day weekend. We'll talk to you again next week. I'm Tall Mike. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. We'll talk again soon. Have a great weekend, everybody.